In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in ChatGPT. If you've ever wanted to change the look and feel of ChatGPT, you're in the right place. This tutorial is incredibly helpful, especially if you prefer different styles for day or night using the chat interface. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started! First things first, you want to open ChatGPT in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this will allow you access to all the features, including our main focus today, the theme settings. Once you're on the main screen, shift your gaze to the bottom left corner of the page. There, you're going to see either your profile icon or your name. Click on that. This action opens a menu with various account options, which is exactly what we need right now. The next step is super easy. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Settings. Clicking on this will take you to the Settings panel, where you can customize different aspects of your ChatGPT experience. It's a great way to make the tool feel more personal and tailored to your preferences. Now, once you're in the Settings panel, you want to ensure you're on the General tab. This is crucial because that's where all the appearance options are typically hiding. If you find yourself on a different tab, don't worry. Simply click on General at the top of the Settings window. As you navigate through the settings, take a moment to scroll down or look through the menu until you come across the Appearance section. This part controls what ChatGPT looks like on your screen. It's pretty neat because it allows you to adjust visuals based on your comfort level. Under the Appearance section, you will see a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that to view the available theme options. Now here comes the fun part. You should see 3 options: Light, Dark, and System. Let's break each one down a bit. If you'd like a bright background with darker text to keep things crisp and clear, simply choose the Light option. This is perfect for daytime use or in well-lit environments. On the other hand, if you prefer a more comfortable viewing experience, especially during those late-night chats, then dark mode is your best friend. It's soft on the eyes and can help reduce strain when you're in low-light situations. Finally, if you'd like ChatGPT to automatically match your device's settings for a more seamless experience, then go ahead and click on System. Once you've made your choice, the theme should update immediately. It's really that simple. Most of the time, there's no complicated save button to worry about, so you can just close the Settings panel and continue enjoying ChatGPT with your new theme. Now, let's talk about accessibility across devices. If you access ChatGPT on different platforms, like a desktop, mobile, or tablet, you'll find that the process is quite similar. The layout might look a bit different based on the device you're using, but rest assured, the essential steps remain the same. On some devices, settings may appear in a side menu or might be tucked under a More Options button, but the appearance setting remains key regardless of where you're working. Using a tailored theme is especially useful for those who frequently switch between work mode and night mode, or for anyone looking to reduce eye strain during long sessions. It's a small change, but it can significantly improve your experience. And that's it. You've learned how to change the theme in ChatGPT in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.